Hi, my name is Lady Lynn, and in this video, I will demonstrate the manual sourcing method for Amazon product sourcing using the seller access. I will go through a retail website, find a profitable product, and check if it meets the Amazon product sourcing criteria. Here are the sample criteria that I need to follow in this manual sourcing demo. At least $4 profit, ROI 30%, BSR below 100,000, no IP complaints, not a private label, Amazon is not selling or Amazon is not in the listing, at least 50 sales per month, brand owner is not selling, at least 5 FBA sellers. Now I'll start visiting a potential supplier's website. I will browse through the categories or by using the search engine inside the retailer's website. And I will type Leap for example. Now I am going to select this item and check if Amazon has the same product. I am going to Amazon and paste the product name in the search engine to see if Amazon offers the same product. Now that I found the same product with the same variation, I am going to check if the retail price from the retail website will match the resales says. Now it shows that it doesn't meet the max cost. Since the price didn't meet the max cost, I will use a verified discount voucher code to lessen the price from the retailer's website. Now I will make it 3 pieces to avail the free shipping. And after this, I will click the checkout. And then I will apply the voucher code and check if it's a verified code. Now the price of the 3 items is now $21.86 in total. Let's check what would be the price of each item. Now it costs 7.29, which means this could be a potential lead. So what we're gonna do is we're going to check the seller AMSAs and compare the details in the sample criteria. As per checking, the profit is above $4, so it's checked. And in the seller AMSAs, let's check the ROI. ROI is also good, so it's a yes. And also, let's check the BSR. BSR is good, so we're going to check if there is IP complaints, and then there's no. So, and also gonna check the IP. There is no issue with it. So we're gonna check both. Now let's check if the Amazon is on the listing. So based in the seller's ounces, there is no Amazon seller here. And now let's check the sales per month. The sales per month is above the 50 sales, so let's go check it on. Then brand owner is not selling. As per checking the seller says, the road is not in the seller's listing. So there's above 5 FBA sellers, so we're gonna take it on. Since we all meet the criteria, I will now go to the product sourcing sheet to manually enter the details. I have double checked that the supplier has the same exact product, ensuring it's identical in brand, size, packaging, and quantity. And that's how I use the manual sourcing to find profitable products for online arbitrage. I ensure each product meets sourcing criteria to minimize risk and maximize profit. Thank you for watching.